All right, Steve, again in your house, in your area. I would like to teach today colors in Kiluba. I don't have many colors, and so far I'm still working on finding more names for colors. I have only three. Believe it or not, I'm still working on it and finding more colors. I know three colors which are more important. Most importantly, the two colors are probably the most important, black and white. That's I know at least in Kiluba. So we have red, which is Ishila.
Ishila.
I wrote red means Ishila. And then we have Itoka.
Itoka
is white. So
white.
if we say that Mutuelo, it means a shirt. I didn't write it down. I can even add a little bit of Mutuelo here, just to say we can use Mutuelo. Mutuelo, which equals shirt.
Mutuelo.
Yeah. Mutuelo is a shirt.
Mutuelo.
So we can say Mutuelo.
Oh, I know.
If we say Mutuelo, we will say Ushila. These things can change. We will change the Ushila to the Ishila to Ushila. Okay? If we talk about Mutuelo, okay? Mutuelo is a shirt. We say Mutuelo Ushila.
Okay.
Mutuelo Ushila. No. Mutuelo Ushila. I'm sorry, myself and my Kiluba is that suffering too.
So
Mutuelo Ushila means red shirt.
No, don't you have to put the Ushila first, then the Mutuela? That means red shirt.
No, it's not like in English. You see already the difference. When you say red shirt in Kiluba, you say Mutuelo Ushila. You say that the thing you are trying to qualify, and then you give the qualification. Either remember the minwe. We can't. We don't say one finger, two fingers. We say finger one.
Oh.
Finger one, finger two, finger three. That's the way we count in Kiluba. But in English, we say one finger, two, three, four. In Kiluba, we say munwe, umo, munwe, minwe, ibidi, and so on. So mutuelo utoka means what?
Oh, Ishala, Mutuela means red shirt.
Mutuelo utoka means white shirt, and mutuelo ufita means.
So if it's like shirt, you have to put them all like with a U. Like
yes.
It's something else. You put them like you just stick with the eyes and stuff.
Yes, but for instance, we can say dibuku. So we see when we say dibuku means a book. Dibuku, dishila. This will change in D. If we're talking about dibuku, dibuku is the book. So this is also very interesting because we learn how to count umo. So whenever we talk about that thing, we have to go with the word we're pronouncing. If we say dibuku, the book start with dibuku. Dibuku, if one, we say ushila. Mabuku, ashila. If it become many books. Very interesting to discover. For instance, here, Mutuelo. Let's just stick with Mutuelo. Then I will see how we can teach all of you who are still learning how to qualify these things or give that color. I said qualify. Then we have to work hard in order to know what's gonna be in front of Shila and Toka and so on. So Mutuelo Ushila, let's go. Mutuelo Ushila means a red shirt, and then Mutuelo Utoka means a white shirt, and Mutuelo Ufita means a black shirt. And then here there is even when you say Ufita, I want to go far away, talk about what Ufita means also dirty at some point, and that's what we'll talk about. Let's go. If we talk about buku, let me write buku here. Dibuku. Dibuku. Okay. Dibuku means book. Okay. So we're gonna say dibuku dishila. Okay?
Yeah.
If we say dibuku, we'll change this one to D. Okay? So it's gonna be dibuku dishila.
Dishila.
Then dibuku ditoka.
Ditoka.
Very good. Ditoka. Then dibuku, if it's black, dibuku difita.
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 So does Dishila go first or Dibuku? Like when you say red book or
Dibuku dishila means red book. Dibuku ditoka means white book. Dibuku difita means black book.
so Dibuku Dishila. Okay, this. Okay, Dibuku Dishila. Dibuku Ditoka. Dibuku Difita.
Difita. Very good. And then we can we can find many other different things we can qualify, and as we word, I guess the next time I will just come with many different word in Kiluba we can learn. Then we'll go back to color, we go back to counting, and there are a lot of things to learn as I'm reading or listening to people who are learning, and they can give me more input, and I will know how to go about this. So looking forward talking to you about different things, and then learning, even asking if you retain all those color we learned. And today, so we learn about color. We learn about color red, which means shila, also dishila or ishila. Ushila means red. Itoka or ditoka, utoka, it depends on what we're talking about, means white. And then black, it's going to be ifita, ufita, difita. It depends on what we're talking about. So, very good. Thank you for listening to me, and God bless you. Lalapo, shalapo, shalapo.
Shalapo.